Hello viewer, we have quite an interesting question on electrolysis and it goes as follows. In the electrolysis of dilute sulphuric acid using platinum electrodes, the products obtained at the anode and cathode are A. Sulfur at the anode and hydrogen at the cathode, B. Hydrogen at the anode and oxygen at the cathode, C. Oxygen at the anode and hydrogen at the cathode, D. Hydrogen at the anode and sulfate ions at the cathode. First off, for you to interpret this, you should be able to recall the electrochemical series ECS both for anions and cations by heart. My board is too big, so I will not be able to help you recall that, but I can tell you which is lower by the time the equations boil in. All right, so we're talking about electrolysis of dilute sulphuric acid H2SO4. So if this ionizes, we have 2 moles of hydrogen ions and sulfate ions. So remember that this solution is aqueous. So if it is aqueous, it means that the solvent is water. So water is also present. So if water ionizes as well, we have hydrogen and hydroxide ions. So during electrolysis, ions migrate to their opposite poles of polarity. In clear terms, positive ions go to the negative electrode and negative ions go to the positive electrode. So this is platinum anode, this is platinum cathode. Okay, so at the anode we have sulfate ions and hydroxide ions. At the cathode we have just hydrogen ions. Okay, there is no competition here. Okay, now for the anode, the electrochemical series for anions, in them hydroxide ion is lower. My own mnemonic is fluorine, so Nigeria could buy Indian oil, and that oil is what? Hydroxide ions. While the SO is for sulfate ions. My board is too big, I would have written the ECS for you guys to see. But at this point, since hydroxide ion is lower, the electrode is inert, it does not interfere with the product. So hydroxide ions will be discharged to give us water, oxygen gas with the loss of 4 moles of electrons. Remember, oxidation occurs at the anode. Then at the cathode, there is no competition here. What will still be discharged is hydrogen ion, okay, to give us hydrogen gas. If you don't see this, I'm sorry. So with this, our answer at the anode is oxygen, at the cathode is hydrogen. So our answer is obviously option C. Just follow us. Later, electrolysis will be discussed fully as a full-blown topic for your own understanding. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.